Got some bits to go on the R26. We've got a key brace from Bath Motorsport, fire extinguisher, and a quick release to go on here as well. So when you get the stuff out of the boot, by the looks of it, it just goes into here. There's no fitting instructions. I don't know if there's on the website. Maybe I should check, but I'm not going to. So you get these brackets with it. There's actually bolts going through to hold the seat, so they must go there, bolt through there, and then you go through the bottom. That's simple. Let's cut away a bit of this carbon and have a look. So T40 bolts, get them anchor points out. T40 for those brackets. In the kit you do get load and new bolts, probably to take up the room if that's any thicker. So then brackets just sit flush into there, no room taken. So that's it in loosely. What I've done is I've rotated those so the bolt holes line up. I'm going to push them out of the way, nip them back up. Now that's in, we need to think about this. So this bit, I'll screw to the key brace, I'll have to drill it and rivet it. Just say that as well. Comes with a bit, but I'm going to use mine. So I've marked up the bar, and I'm going to drill. I'm going to mount this in. That's those drilled. My rivet nuts are in. I've put a bit of sponge padding on there just to stop any rattles. I'm going to bolt that down now. That's that bolted on there, nice. Stainless bolts, solid. Not going nowhere. Let's tie the fire extinguisher to this now. Got slots here for Jubilee clips. So that's the key brace finished. Rushed on a bit, I've had phone calls and stuff. But I've cut the carpet around it so it sits under it, so you can't tell much. We've got this on, so you pull that, lift it up, take it off, put your fire out, and then you just load it back into there. And that's that. If you follow me on Instagram, it's technically V46. I've done that much, but I don't mean Instagram video, but you know. Thanks Bath Motorsport for making such a good brace, the key brace. You can get these in the straight brace as well, but I wanted to go with this one. So I want to do loads of stuff to this. I've ordered PBS pads and stuff from Rival. Shout out the boys. I need some bucket seats because these look buckety on the road and they're cool and all that, but you fall out with these on track. And I plan on doing a lot more track. No rush, but eventually sorted another table. The brakes were on fire. If you've seen the video on my Instagram as well, there's a video, someone put a video. The rear pads went metal to metal. And I'd already done, I would say probably realistically 800 mile on these brake pads before I went on track. Just shows you the difference in road pads and stuff, but obviously it was red hot, so I just burned through them. So I'll probably just get another set of wheels, get some semi-slicks. I love these standard wheels. And I love the car's going to get it painted up and stuff, but if I'm going on track, the state it gets in, I don't think I'm going to do that yet. I might wait off until I get bored of track, or I might just love it and stop buying more stuff, but we'll see. But for now, that's looking good.